Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we have an awesome video in store for you. We are doing 3 raw vegan breakfasts that I have on repeat lately, and these are all fast, easy, very unique, and they leave you feeling full, which is a common thing I hear on the raw vegan lifestyle. And you guys, the best thing I ever did with my entire life was turning to a raw vegan lifestyle in September of 2016. It has changed my life inside and out more than you can even imagine. And when you turn to an only real food life, it can truly transform you. The real food has the water content, the enzymes, the life, and it's easier to digest, and it just has such a big impact on your body, mind, and spirit. So let's hop into this. Number 1 is one of my favorites, and I actually got this idea from Johnny Juicer. I saw it in one of his stories once, a cereal, and I thought, why have I not made a raw vegan cereal? So before it was raw, a cereal used to be a staple in my kitchen. So here I'm going to show you a healthy version of cereal. Okay, so in my kitchen, we like to make as much as possible from scratch. So with this cereal, we're going to use a plant-based milk that we make in our M1 milk maker. This is, in my opinion, the best milk maker in the world. We're going to use 1 cup of macadamia nuts because those are my favorite nut lately for nut milk. 3 to 4 cups of cold filtered water. And I like a dash of cinnamon in this as well. I'm just in my cinnamon era. I like cinnamon. So we're going to put that in. And you guys, I'm going to show you how easy it is just to live on real food. It's so easy. It's so fast. Just like that, we press start and we have milk. Look at this, literally the best looking milk you've ever seen. You make it in no time at all, and it's cost effective if you just own your own machine and make it fresh. And you guys, I just can't recommend real food enough, especially with how many people are getting cancer, diabetes, so many health problems now, so much obesity, and there's so much risk that comes along with that. So you know what, you guys, so much of it starts with the food, so let's get healthier. So for the base of this, we're gonna use a raw vegan granola. So I don't make my own raw vegan granola. I'm really busy. So for now, I just order it online. You can find raw vegan granolas on Etsy, or you can find a couple of them on Amazon as well. So that's what I do. So there we go. We have a raw vegan granola. And then I'm just going to put some strawberries in here and then some blueberries as well. And sometimes I put banana, but I'll probably just leave it like this today. Sometimes I just leave it like this. And then we're going to pour our milk. Look how beautiful that is, you guys. Oh my gosh, a fresh, healthy, raw vegan cereal. And then I like to put cinnamon on top of it as well. It's so good. And there we go. Bon appetit. And then on to number 2. This is one of my all-time favorite breakfasts I've ever created, ever discovered. And this was inspired by a reel my friend Sky sent me by Kourtney Kardashian. She used to have an avocado pudding that went viral. So I decided to try veganize this, and that I did, and it is such a hit. I have a private community. Some of you are in there. It's called Club Raw, and I have introduced this to them, and they're addicted. There's literally like, I think 500 people who make this like every day, I would say. It's so good, so addictive, and really healthy. And I noticed this really gets my skin glowing as well. So for this, we're gonna wanna use 1 whole avocado. This is the most delicious avocado pudding. I think you might think avocado pudding, maybe that won't be very good, but you guys, this is insane. This is so good. You have to try it. So a couple key pointers here are, it's very important that your avocado is chilled. So keep it in the fridge at least the night before. And a hack is when your avocados start going ripe, when they're ripe, you can put them in the fridge and get an extra 3 to 5 days anyway. So as soon as my avocados are ripe, I throw them in the fridge, and then, you know, I use them over the next few days for this pudding. So this is a cold avocado. It's very important because the pudding will taste way better this way. And then this milk is cold because I used cold water to just make it. So we're gonna use 1 cup of plant milk of your choice. My favorite is the macadamia nut milk. We're gonna use a dash of cinnamon. This is optional, the cinnamon. We are gonna put in 1 date, and dates are great for iron. There's so many benefits to dates, so I'm gonna put that in there. And then we are gonna use a little bit of vanilla protein powder. So I just like a tiny little bit just to add a little vanilla flavor. Or you could use some vanilla extract as well. And my favorite protein powder, this is by Lou, 75 years young, living his best life, so healthy. And I love his protein powder. So I also add a little bit of that. I don't know, I work out a lot, you guys know. I like protein powders. Tell me what you think down below. Do you like them? And that's it. So then we're gonna blend this up, and I can't wait to show you guys the end result. Just like that, we have beautiful avocado pudding. And this is one thing I encourage you guys on a real life lifestyle, to get a couple things that excite you around the kitchen, you know? You're worth it, you're important. how we take care of ourselves matters, and it just excites me to get cute little dishes. So since I love this pudding so much, I have a couple nice really dishes around for that. So right now we will use this one so you guys can see it really well. And we'll put the pudding in there. And there we go, bon appetit. This is number 2, so filling, so delicious, so nutritious, and just the healthy fats with the avocado. It really gets the skin glowing. And let's get on to number 3. Number 3, last but not least, we have a chia pudding, and we have a very unusual take on this chia pudding. I'm going to show you guys a new way to make it, inspired also by my friend Sky in Australia. When she was here, she showed me a different way, and this is really delicious, really inspired me, and it's become a staple in my kitchen, and it just feels great, feels easy to digest, very filling, and so many nutrients. So chia seeds are very special. They used to be prized by the Aztecs. They're high in protein and very high in omega-3s, which really benefit our brain, and they're also very high in calcium. So I think they're very, very healthy, and I do notice a big difference on my mental health when I incorporate the omega-3s into my lifestyle. So the chia seeds and the flax oil are part of my daily staples. Let me show you guys, let's just hop into it. So I'm so blessed right where I live. I have a coconut stand 6 minutes from my house, you guys, in North Carolina, meant to be. So I've got this coconut water and meat fresh from there, but you can get from the grocery store young Thai coconuts. So you can do that, or often you can find just meat in the fridge section of the grocery store and separate coconut water if you want to do that. So for this, we're going to do 1 cup of fresh coconut water, and I just feel like it's Mother Nature's electrolytes. It's just what we're meant to drink. It's just loaded with everything to balance us, and so much healthier than things like Prime or Gatorade. So it's just real, right? It's real, never touched by man until it's opened up and you drink it. And we're going to do 1/2 cup of coconut meat. So these fats just have so many benefits, and this pudding is just a great way to intake this and make it easy to digest. So 1/2 cup of the coconut meat we're going to put into there. And then we're going to do 3 to 4 tablespoons of chia seeds. So typically I used to make my chia pudding doing the same thing, except I would stir it and I would use milk instead of coconut water or coconut meat. So I never did it this way, but now that I have, I prefer the taste this way, and I just prefer the texture. So we've got our chia seeds in there, and then we're gonna put 1 date for sweetener. I know Sky does a few more dates, but I just like it with 1 date. And you don't even have to, if you like it unsweetened, you don't have to do a date. You can do it unsweetened and then just add fruit afterwards for your sweetener. So we've got that, and we're just gonna blend this up, and I'll be right back. All right, so this is ready just like that. Or if you want to thicken it a bit more, the chia seeds will thicken. If you put it in the fridge, you can put it in the fridge for 60 minutes, it'll be perfect, or even let it sit overnight. That's what a lot of people do ideally. But we will enjoy this right now after this video. So I'm just gonna pour this. You guys, I cannot recommend this enough. This is so freaking good. So look at that. It is so delicious. And I like this version just like that. I don't like to add anything to it. I just like it like that. It feels really good on the body. It gives me energy. And you can add berries or mangoes or hemp seeds or many different things to decorate the top, but I like it just like that. And that's it. I've shown you guys my 3 repeat raw vegan breakfasts lately, and this lifestyle is exciting. It's not boring. There's so many different things to make. It's so delicious. And these breakfasts just start you out for a good day. They leave you feeling energized, amazing, creativity, and all the things we should be feeling, not lethargic and brain fog and run down and fatigued and moody like other things can do if we start our day with bacon and eggs or processed foods, like a lot of people are doing across the country and even around the world. We need to wake up and start eating more real food, and it will totally transform our lives. So if you guys also want to transform your life, come join my private community, Club Raw. We have almost 1,000 people in there. It's an amazing space with people just trying to help each other live a healthier lifestyle and helping each other try to stick to plant foods and get off the chips, get off the garbage, get off the crap foods. And we have so many amazing resources in there, a brand new cravings course, all my ebooks and recipes I've ever done, my full raw vegan course. We have live guest speakers all the time. Chef Babette is a regular in there who I love so much. She's 75 and thriving. And I go live once a week in there to motivate and inspire you guys. And we do in-person meetups around the country as well. So it's just so amazing. So come and join us. I'll put that link down below. It's an amazing price for a limited time. And I'll put on 2 great videos on the screen right now. Go check one of those out. And I love you guys, and go eat healthy today. Get walking, get moving, surround yourself by the right people, get a good sleep, and follow your purpose. Love you guys. Bye.